How to turn on reminders, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on reminders, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, click settings and then notifications, and now click reminders, and then just turn on SMS, and now just go back, and it will be saved. And that's how to turn on SMS. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.